Derlane. Thank you so much. Jay, shout out. Lucia Agustin, Alvin Buyer. Shout out. Guys, I need sponsor, guys. Shout out to Sweet Cherry and to all who support my channel. 32, 22 likes. Thank you so much for those who like my live now. And 3 people. 8 or 8. A. Later guys, I'm gonna try doing a workout later. Just a little workout. Just later guys. Good man. Shout out Prince Jomer Oladi. Shout out Marcela Misuno. Shout out um, Georgie. Shout out. And to my sweet cherry. Hearts for all of you guys. Hearts. Hearts, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Uh, Click that notification bell over there for more videos so that you're gonna be notified to all my videos. And if you like some of my streams, you can support me financially. um you know Needing sponsor, guys, needing your help. And uh, all of that. And later we're gonna end this live because I'm so low bad. And we're gonna try doing something later. I'm waiting for the call from the company that I applied. They're not calling yet.